What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we got a banger. So it's been a while since I've been in this recording area, and I kind of miss it. It reminds me of my last camping trip. Nonetheless, in today's video, we got an absolute treat. Now, if you've had any car, any vehicle that has cloth seats, this video is the video for you. Now, me personally, one of the biggest gripes that I had with my Toyota Tacoma when I first purchased it, number one was not having leather seats. Number two, I really did not want light gray seats. We have those in our Corolla. In the Corolla, they get absolutely filthy, so we have to buy seat covers. Now, in today's video, a company reached out, they offered some seat covers, and we're gonna review them. Now, I will say it is more of a review versus an installation and review. There's gonna be some parts of the installation that I show you that I feel like in their install they didn't really show you. Nonetheless, I'll show you guys in the installation, but let's get right into the install. Nice. So first impressions right out of the box, very, very nice. I'm just going to do all of the headrests first. All right, so the headrests are on. That headrest is on. That seat is all the way already complete. Now let's do this front seat. All right, so for this part, I will say, put the seat all the way back, and it allows you to get as much hand through the crack here, because what you're gonna need to do is push this through underneath there. They provide gloves. Looks like Sandy was about to start laughing. No, she is about to start laughing. But trust me, they help. It's easier if you fold it back and then push it in like this. All right, so this is where it gets a little bit tricky if you have a 2021. And I'm assuming 2022, maybe even 2020. On the back of these, you have to do the install. And I'm gonna link their install video because it's way, way better. But I just wanna give you guys this tip. All right, so there's two clips underneath of your seat. These type of clips, unclip it. It's just clipped on, you unclip it because you need to be able to pull this up. This you're gonna wanna fold up as best as you can. So the front is done. It looks a lot cooler though. It looks a lot cooler. It goes very much more in sync with the rest of the truck, like the black steering wheel, the black center console, so on and so forth. But the real crowd stopper right here, check this out. The night and day difference between these two looks so good. Stock versus not so stock. Sitting in them feels a lot better. I don't know if it's just because they're new to me. They feel absolutely great. They're breathable, which should help in the heat. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to put this one on the other side. I thought it was gonna be extremely difficult, but it's not. Again, they have a tutorial video on this that is way better than mine. All right, not gonna lie, I was a little bit intimidated by this. I was like, how in the world is this even going to hold? It holds very, very well. Bottom piece around the seat. So I'm gonna start on my side, bring it as much as I can around to this side. This rope, I don't know what rope this is. I'm calling it magical rope, but boys, it is tight. So now we got to do the back seat. First things first, lift this bad boy up. Pretty much like a blanket at first. Just want to get it. And I will admit, it's going to be a little bit awkward at first. I learned this the hard way the last time. Get this flap all the way around before you start adjusting anything. So I just thought about this. You're supposed to put this through. Sandy reminded me about the seatbelt. So what do you guys think? I am absolutely thrilled. I love, love, love these seat covers. So when you step inside now, it feels a lot more elegant. One big benefit is that they fit super well to your truck. So as you guys can see right here, look how it goes in and under. Everything looks very normal. Everything just goes in and flows. I really like how good it looks. It just looks OEM. It doesn't look like anything crazy out of this world. Second thing that I really like about these, airbag rated. Hopefully not, but if there is an accident and you have these seat covers on, this airbag will still deploy and it will rip right through it. Number three is pretty big to me, but probably not to many other people. So right here, you can put this part of the seatbelt into it and it can actually hide away. And the original seat has it, but I was scared that this wasn't going to have it. When I saw it, it just shows the attention to detail and how much they care about a product versus just rushing something out. They didn't have to do this. They didn't have to, but they did, and I appreciate it. So the fourth one is probably my favorite thing. Okay, the fourth one is probably the coolest thing. We have Sandy in the truck, and She spilled Chinese food in here. She's gotten a bloody nose. She spilled drink. And I don't know what else she spilled. But being that these are waterproof, you can spill something on here and it won't go through to your seat. I've already tested this. I wish I was recording, but I legit just grabbed this water. I lost the cap doing this. I just put the seat on the ground and poured water all over it. Take my word for it. I promise you, they're waterproof. Saving number 5 for last. Now, this has to be my favorite. Driving last night, even going out right now for dinner, these have been super warm. They keep me nice and cozy. But when I get hot, then I can adjust and stay cool. It's very weird. It's some type of wizard technology going on in these seats. I don't know how to explain it, but man, oh man, does it feel good. What I will say is watch my video first, go check out that installation video next, and you'll be a-okay. I definitely think the more time you take to install them, the better they will come out. It took me about an hour to get mine completely installed, and I'm very happy with the way it came out. So with that being said, shout out to the company that sent out these seat covers. Sandy is an absolute fan. If you guys have them for a 2015 Toyota Corolla, Sandy wants them. So with that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, a like, a comment, and a subscription would be greatly appreciated. It's been your boy. I'm Outy Like an Outy. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.